Alright, I hope this works out better. I've actually already done this video. I want to point out everything we did and go again. I'm just not going to write it again. It didn't save right. So in this situation we have another table, and it looks like battery packs are the numbers up here, and the price of the battery packs, so the total cost is down here. Alright. So in this case, I noticed that from each battery pack it was $4. For some reason the first one cost $4.90. But you can get your difference by taking $8.90 minus $4.90 right here. And my common difference is $4. Alright. And my first term you can see is $4.90. So if I was going to write it, I'd say to find my function of the number of battery packs, I start at $4.90, and then I add $4 per battery pack, but not the first one. So if I plug in 18, 490 plus 4 times 18 comes out to be $76.90. So that is $76.90 for 18 battery packs. There is an example down here of how to do it from a table. So in the table, and this table is feather pens. He collects feather pens in weeks. So apparently this guy's really into feather pens. Looks like 1 week is 18, 2 weeks 37, 3 weeks 56, 4 weeks 75. For a common difference, and again 37 minus 18 is 19. Alright. If you plug everything in, you start at 18 and then 19 per week, not counting the first week, and then they plugged in 12, right, which gave 12 minus 1 is 11. 18 plus 19 times those 11 extra weeks turned out to be a total of 227, and that's how many feather pens. And I went to the other side, so here it is. I took all this data, which represents, looks like Eric collecting stamps over a number of months. This guy likes stamps. It's like he started with 20 and then collected a certain number to 33 to 46 to 59, which we put in this table, and it showed to be about 13 a month, which you could do 33 minus 20, or 46 minus 33, or 59 minus 46. So my common difference is 13, and my first term is 20. So if I substitute 20 for F1 for the first term and 13 for a difference, I get this equation, right? To find the number of stamps, it's 20 plus 13 per month, but not the first one. And if we plug in 10, alright, after 10 months, we start with 20 and add 13 stamps for the other 9 months. We get 137 stamps, 130 stamps collected in 10 months. This one asks which one's independent, and all I said for this problem, right? There's other ways of knowing, but as I said for this problem, months are independent because the months affect the number of stamps, not the other way around, right? There was one more problem, and I'm just going to try to save this. Hopefully it'll save this time. And this is the inches high of a box stacked on a table. I'm assuming the first one includes the table height, because looks like that box is a whole lot taller than the rest, just by visually. But I moved the numbers over, 134, 251, 368, 485, and I subtracted. All these problems, if I subtract, make 17, but the easiest one to see was 68 minus 51 is definitely 17, with a start at 34. Alright, hopefully it's getting easier. So to find my term, I plug in 34 and then 17 per month, not including the first one. Right, so if I plug in 7, it's 34 plus 17 for the 6 additional months, which gave me 136 inches. And that meant 7 boxes stacked are 136 inches tall. And I'm going to try to save this again. I will see you guys.